In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy link of your Wattpad account. If you want to share your Wattpad profile with friends, followers, or readers, then knowing how to copy your account link is very useful. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step so you can quickly copy your Wattpad profile URL and share it anywhere you want. The process is very simple and only takes a few moments to complete. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer. Once the browser is open, go to the official Wattpad website. After the page loads, make sure you are signed in to your Wattpad account so you can access your personal profile page. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the screen where your profile picture or profile icon is displayed. Click on it to open the account menu. From the list of options that appears, select My Profile. This will take you directly to your public Wattpad profile page, where other users can view your stories, reading lists, and account information. After your profile page opens, you may notice that Wattpad includes several sharing options for social platforms. Depending on your device or browser, you might see sharing buttons for platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Tumblr, or email. These options allow you to quickly share your profile directly to different platforms. However, if you simply want to copy your profile link manually, the easiest method is to use the browser's address bar. At the very top of the browser window, you'll see the full URL of your Wattpad profile page. This web address is your personal Wattpad account link. To copy it, click once on the address bar so the entire link becomes highlighted. Then right-click and choose Copy, or use your keyboard shortcut to copy the link instantly. Once copied, you can paste it anywhere you like, including messages, social media posts, emails, or chats with friends and followers. When someone clicks on your copied profile link, they'll be taken directly to your Wattpad account page where they can explore your profile and stories. And that's how you can quickly copy and share the link to your Wattpad account using a browser. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.